In the last lesson, we had a look at the dot product and its application. In this lesson, we're going to have a look at how we can use our calculators to automate these processes. To do this, I'm going to go into Menu and I'll go into Run Matrix mode. I can choose to clear my memory. Next, I've got two options. I can key my vectors into the map-vec option here, in which case I've got three. I'll get rid of them and I'll choose not to use this one. Alternatively, I can go into F4 for math, and then I can key them into map-vec here. I'll use this option today. I'm going to get two 2x1 matrices. Next, I'll go Exit, Exit, and then I'm going to go into Options, F2 for map-vec. I press F6 to go across and across. From there, I'm going to go dot P for dot product. Next, I key in my vectors. The first one is going to be 6, 3. I separate the two vectors here by a comma, and then I key the second one in, -4 and 1. I close off the parentheses and I hit execute. Lo and behold, it tells me the answer without actually having to do it manually. So this is practical, as it will eliminate errors when you're calculating these. Okay, for the other example, we were finding the value of m to force two vectors to be perpendicular. Now this one is not as straightforward. To do this one, you actually have to start manually doing the calculation, so it's up to this step here, and then you just key it in from here. So this one's quite straightforward, but I'll show it anyway. You go Exit, Exit, Exit to the top menu. We're going to go Option, Calc, Solve. We're only expecting one solution here, so we press F1 for solve. If we're going for two solutions, we do F5 for solve n. Next, you key in this line here, 0 shift equals 6 -2 plus 3, and we can do alpha m, but if you've got something already stored in m, it messes the calculation up, so instead I'm going to do x. From there, I do comma, and then I say solve for x, close it off, execute, and lo and behold, it spits out the value of that, or the value of the unknown in the equation. So this is another option. If you are solving problems like these, you do the partial working out, and then you skip to the calculator, so you're less error prone.